lipstick on my feet? Dear Mr. President, I'm a good paying citizen. I have a complaint. My daughter, Sky, came all the way to Las Vegas on Paradise Island Boulevard and was there for the audition. And had to sing on the corner, but nobody showed up. She was there for hours at the Hard Rock. Not the soft rock. Not a hard cock. But nobody was there. All the cabs passed her by and nobody threw any money. What kind of country do we live in when a talented girl such as my Sky can't make a damn dime on the corner of the Las Vegas Strip? Thank you, a concerned citizen.